right, so we'll take JM's question here. I have custody of my two daughters and I've requested child support, but it has been 4 months and the judge still hasn't made the mother pay child support. What can I do? So, if it's anything, I don't know what state you are in, but if it's anything like the state of California, if you go to the Department of Child Support Services today and request the paperwork and fill out the paperwork, you may be 6 months out before you get in front of a judge to get child support ordered. By the time Department of Child Support Services or your agency in your state gets the paperwork submitted and gets you a court date. I know right now in California, we are like 5 months out, so it may be more than 6 months. The time you go to the courthouse, get the paperwork filled out, and then get a return date to be in front of a judge. If it's tied to your custody case, you may have to. Some states require you to motion for judgment. So it's child support again, very very state specific. A lot of states, including California, Texas has some wild laws around this, but they will backdate child support. One of the things in California that gets a lot of guys is the fact that they will backdate it to date of filing. So let's just say in June or July in California, you filed for child support, and you're not going to get into court until January 2022. They can backdate that child support, and let's just say for round number's sake, you get ordered to pay $1,000 worth of child support. Well, they can go back and say this was filed in June, so we're going to go June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January. Okay, so your balance right now is $8,000 in child support. So a lot of states are able to do that. Whether you have to ask for it or it automatically happens, it may vary from state to state and how aggressive states are. Like if you're in the state of Texas, they're extremely aggressive about going after child support. You probably don't even have to ask. Other states, you may have to ask and see exactly what the laws say they can do. It looks like you followed up here. So it looks like you're in Massachusetts and you're already in front of a judge, waited 8 months to be heard. Unfortunately, the post-COVID era we're in, I just today got court dates into February and March on a couple cases. So it's an unfortunate piece of what we're dealing with right now. I would say if you have an attorney, you need to talk to him about what the process is to gain some clarity, gain some understanding. If you're doing it pro se, if you don't, it may be worth paying a little bit of money to for a consultation or doing some of your own research. Some law firms in your state probably have some blog posts about exactly what needs to be done to make sure you've checked all the boxes to get that order and to get child support started.